Now, like cats, catfish have whiskers, but not all whiskers are created equal. Dr. Eva Dudek has a fun fact for us about catfish.
A lot like a cat, catfish whiskers do help the catfish feel around in the bottom murky dark pond and lake so they can get around a lot easier. But unlike a cat, these whiskers are made of skin, not hair, and they actually smell and taste through these things. So they actually help the catfish find food.
We invite questions from anyone. If you have one, you just send it to Petvet at KOAMTV.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. And you can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult female domestic short hair named Baker. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have this 4-year-old male terrier pit bull mix. His name is Ronald. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?